pam pam pam. Hello, my dear students. No, we speak Russian, so добрый день. My dear students, today we're going to learn time. Время. Время. Are you ready? Well, at our previous class, we learned numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did a great job. Today, we're going to review how to say time, how to say it is 1 o'clock now, it is 2 o'clock now, but I'm going to point at some details, okay? So, let's get started. Our first word we're going to learn today is the word time. Время. I put the transcription right here for you because I know you love it. Время. And I put the accent. Okay? I can put it right here too. Время. Okay, next one. We're going to say now it is 1 o'clock in the morning, and the second sentence will be now it is 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the daytime. So your task today is to learn, first of all, how to say in the morning. It's right here. And how to say in the afternoon. It's right here. Also, let's first read what I wrote. So, now it is 1 o'clock. Please read. You need to read because you're learning Russian. Сейчас 1 час утра. Pause the video, say it. Сейчас, now, 1 час, o'clock, утра, in the morning. Сейчас 1 час утра. Okay? So here you see the word час, it's 1 o'clock. But if we look at the second sentence, it will be 2, 3, and 4. Not 5, not 6, only 2, 3, and 4. And look at this, it's going to be часа. First of all, let's read it. Сейчас 2, 3, 4 часа дня. I will walk away a little bit so you can read it again. You have transcription right here, you have accents. Сейчас 2, 3, 4 часа дня. So what I want to tell you is that actually a clock can be plural and a clock can be singular. So if you talk about 1, it's going to be час. 1 час, okay? If it's going to be plural, there are options. First, we'll learn 2, 3, and 4. It's going to be часа. So 1 час, 2 часа, 3 часа, 4 часа. One more time. 1 час, 2 часа, 3 часа, 4 часа. But 5, 6, 7, 8, and all the rest numbers are going to be different. So we're going to learn it in a second. First, please write down how to say now it is 1 o'clock, and now it is 2 o'clock, now it is 3 o'clock, now it is 4 o'clock in the daytime, дня. So please write out 2 words, утра, дня. What are we going to do if we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? Look at the whiteboard. So what I did, I put the word сейчас. Now it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the numbers that you learned. And here it's not час, it's not часа, it's часов. Часов. Instead of V, we pronounce F. Часов. Сейчас 5 часов утра. Translation, please. How would you translate it? Now it is 5 o'clock in the morning. Сейчас 6 часов дня. Translation. Now it is 6 o'clock in the daytime. Okay, we also have вечера. Вечера means in the evening. And ночи means at night. Please write it out. So let's practice. Сейчас 7 часов вечера. Now it is 7 o'clock in the evening. Сейчас 8 часов вечера. Now it is 8 o'clock in the evening. Сейчас 9 часов ночи. For some people it's evening, for some people it's night. I go to bed at 10, so for me 9, 10 is already night. So, now it is 9 o'clock at night. Or сейчас 10 часов ночи. Alright, so now it is 10 o'clock at night. So now you see that in the Russian language we have the word now, then we say the number, and then you see sometimes we have час, sometimes we have часа, sometimes we have часов. Now we're going to see it in a second, but also please write out утра, дня, вечера, and ночи. Okay? We are going to practice. Okay, so now you see now it is 1, 5, 2, 7, 3, 4. We're going to put час, часа, or часов. And you are going to do it. And also we have утра, дня, вечера, and ночи, so we can make some sentences. Alright, are you ready? Oh, of course you're ready. What I'm asking. So, now it is 1. Сейчас 1 час. Okay? Сейчас 1 час. Let's say at night. Ночи. Or in the morning. So it's 1 a.m. Утра. Сейчас 1 час утра. It's 1 a.m. What do you want to say? It is 1 p.m. Сейчас 1 час дня. So it's 13, right? It's 1 p.m. Alright? Сейчас, we say 5. Сейчас 5 часов. Okay, good job. So we have of. Сейчас 5 часов. Let's say in the evening. Вечера. So it's 17. Сейчас 5 часов вечера. Or it might be 5 a.m. in the morning. So, сейчас 5 часов утра. Very well. 2. Сейчас 2 часа. Good job. Okay. Сейчас 2 часа. Let's say 2 a.m. Утра. If we want to say it is 2 p.m. Дня. Сейчас 2 часа дня. It is 2 p.m. Right. 7. Сейчас 7 часов. Okay. Again, I want to underline, so it's 2 часа, but 7 часов. Час is the root of the word. It doesn't change, you see? It's one and the same. So, сейчас 7 часов, let's say in the evening. Вечера. Okay, if it's in the morning, it's a.m. Утра. Утра. Okay, good job. Next one. 3. Сейчас 3 часа. Good job. Okay. Сейчас 3 часа. Let's say in the morning. It's a.m. Oh, everybody's sleeping. Утра. Or you can say also ночи, because everyone is sleeping. Сейчас 3 часа ночи. Okay? What if it's 3 p.m.? So it's 15 in European system. Сейчас 3 часа дня. Okay, good job. And number 4. Сейчас 4 часа. Good. Good job. I like how you learn Russian. Сейчас 4 часа. Let's say in the daytime. Сейчас 4 часа дня. Okay. What if it's in the morning? It's going to be сейчас 4 часа утра. Or maybe at night. Ночи. Okay, good job. So today, guys, we learned that o'clock can be plural, and we actually saw the endings. If it's 1 час, 2 часа, 3 часа, 4 часа, but 5 часов, 6 часов, 7 часов, and so on. Also, we review утра, дня, вечера, and ночи. So it's in the morning, in the daytime, in the evening, and at night. And also, we know the word now, сейчас. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. If you want private classes, you can also send me a personal email. You will see it right here. All the links right here. Also, I post videos where I teach Russian on my Instagram. And here you are, you're watching this video on my YouTube channel, youtube.com Russian with Irina. Okay, great. So you learned this, you liked the video, you subscribed to my channel, you told it to all your friends, right? And see you next time. Bye.